हेलो एवरीवन एंड वेलकम टू इनबाउंड एस्पिरेंट्स एकेडमी। आज हम WBPSC क्लर्कशिप के सेशन 4 के जीएस के सॉल्यूशंस को डिस्कस करने वाले हैं। अंडर विच आर्टिकल ऑफ द कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन इज द प्रेसिडेंट्स रूल प्रोमलगेटेड इन एनी स्टेट इन इंडिया? एंड द आंसर इज आर्टिकल 356। इन विच ईयर NATO was formed? And the answer is 1949. Eric J. Hobsbawm authored the book The Age of Revolution. Who wrote the book An Era of Darkness, The British Empire in India? And the answer is Shashi Tharoor. Which one of the following is a tributary of the Brahmaputra river? And the answer is Manas. Which country hosted the Asian Surfing Championship 2023? And the answer is Maldives. What is the theme of Ayurveda Day 2023? And the answer is Ayurveda for One Health. When a bus starts suddenly, the passengers are pushed back. This is an example of which of the following? And the answer is Newton's first law. Which country has launched the nationwide mass drug administration initiative for lymphatic filariasis? And the answer is India. Barakad is a tributary of which river? And the answer is Damodar. Gandhi Sagar Wildlife Sanctuary is famous for cheetah reintroduction project. What does the Persian word shahmat और checkmate mean? इसका मोस्ट प्रोबेबली आंसर है किंग इज़ होपलेस, बट फिर भी हम लोगों को पीएससी के ऑफिशियल आंसर की का वेट कर लेना चाहिए। विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग एलिमेंट्स इज नॉट फाउंड इन ह्यूमन बॉडी? एंड द आंसर इज लीड। फाइंड आउट द ऑड वन। इसका आंसर है एडमंड हिलरी, क्योंकि एडमंड हिलरी एक माउंटेनियर है एंड द रेस्ट ऑफ द थ्री आर एस्ट्रोनॉट्स। द हिंदी फिल्म पैडमैन रिलीज्ड इन 2018 was inspired by the true life story of, and the answer is Arunachalam Murugantham. Where is Vansda National Park located? And the answer is Gujarat. NASA launched the Lucy spacecraft to observe which celestial body? And the answer is Jupiter. Which country is the country of origin of Taekwondo? And the answer is Korea. The Hornbill Festival is celebrated in which state? And the answer is Nagaland. Which country hosted the 50th G7 Summit 2024? And the answer is Italy. Which is the scientific instrument used to measure atmospheric pressure? And the answer is barometer. Which of the following metals was not known by the Harappans? And the answer is iron. Which country is considered the founding member of FIFA? इस क्वेश्चन में बहुत कन्फ्यूज़न है क्योंकि सारे ही इसके फाउंडिंग मेंबर्स बोले जाते हैं, तो इसके लिए भी हमें ऑफिशियल आंसर की का वेट कर लेना चाहिए। हु वॉज द फर्स्ट इंडियन वुमेन जिमनास्ट टू क्वालिफाई फॉर द ओलंपिक्स? और इसका आंसर है दीपा कर्माकर। हु हैज़ बीन री इलेक्टेड एज द स्पीकर ऑफ द 18th लोकसभा? और इसका आंसर है ओम बिरला। Children's Film Society of India was established in 1955. Which one of the following rulers built the Rathas Mandir of Mahabalipuram? And the answer is Narsingha Varman II. The concept of fire temples is related to Zoroastrianism. The pH value of human blood is 7.4. Which of the following states does not have veto power in the UN Security Council? And the answer is Canada. Full form of PETA, an organization working against the abusive treatment of animals, is People for the Ethical Treatment of Animals. Who gave the equations of motion for the first time? And the answer is Isaac Newton. Kalamkari painting refers to a hand painted cotton textile in South India. Which country's armed forces have recently been honored with the Golden All Award for outstanding performance? And the answer is India, and it was given by Sri Lanka. Who won the International Booker Prize 2024? And the answer is Jenny Erpenbeck. The SI unit of the work function of a metal used in the photoelectric effect is joule. Who founded the Asiatic Society of Bengal? And the answer is Sir William Jones. Which one has not been elected as non-permanent member of the UN Security Council for the 2025-2026 term? And the answer is Sri Lanka. Amandivi Islands in India are best known for which of the following? And the answer is coral atolls or reefs. The root of yoga is found in a hymn of which of the following Vedas? And the answer is Rig Veda. Thank you for watching.